Pick a good day to cut a tree down.
Woo! How low can you go? Teasers. Let's do this. Oh, look at the mailbox. It's been hit. Yeah. Okay. We'll have to just park off to the side right there, babe. It's the road that goes up and a little bit behind us. On September 27th, 2024, Hurricane Helene wreaked havoc on western North Carolina. Between contacting and waiting on our insurance adjuster and communicating with our caretaker, it's now January 2025. We've arrived at our family property to take a first-hand inventory of the damages to the chalet. We are well equipped to take matters into our own hands and get to work. This vacation home is near and dear to my heart as it was my Grandma Vera's pride and joy.
We got to get snow removed before we can actually start cutting these trees out that fell into the house. Trying to make a little bit of a safe working area because it's very steep and very slick.
How low can you go? Let's do this. Hurricane Helene recovery. Recovery?
Recovery.
There's a tree in the house.
As you can see behind us.
And our family chalet on the side of the mountain. Lots of trees down. It's a working trip, but we're also playing because it's fun. Don't you think it's fun?
It's fun, but...
And it's cold.
Play?
Play.
Okay.
We're playing in the snow while we're doing it. About 8 to 10 inches of snow. Makes it challenging.
It does. We're going to start off cutting the branches off and trying to get it to where when the tree does fall that it does not tear the side of the house up. Then we got another one down below that's actually into the decking, and there's lots of steps. This is a very steep hillside. Should be interesting.
Let's do this.
I got the... There you go.
Aren't they cute? they're eating what we cut for them.
Yeah, they're only 15 feet away. Oh, there they are.
There he is.
They're moving downward now. Hey, buddy.
He's looking right at us.
He is. Oh, there's another one over this way. Hey, buddy. Come here. Come here. Oh, look, right here, Andrea. There's the one right there. They're all over. They're all over the place. And you don't even see them. If you don't see them move, you'd never even know they were there.
They blend right in.
Yeah, they blend right in. It's a shot from what we got to do here. Got to get up on the roof next.
Oh, look, here he comes.
Yep, there he is.
Still over here eating. Oh, it feels good in there.
I bet it does. How about some hot chocolate?
You want some?
Oh, there's another one over here. Hey, guys. Oh, there's others way down there. A little one way down there.
Oh, look at him. Look at his nose.
Yeah, is there something wrong with it?
He's off kilter. Hi. Or he's got that Elvis smirk.
He does.
How you doing? Thank you. Thank you very much. Elvis. Hi. Oh, there's one right over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that we can see anyway.
Yeah,
and then there's a bunch up there.
Yeah, they're still up there somewhere.
They are out feeding. So it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
And eating off the trees that we
cut down.
Yeah, that one there's face is kind of crooked. See that?
He is.
There's
He's
something
been injured in the wild.
Yeah, maybe. He took a hard hit.
Hey, buddy.
These are some of our woodland friends. Now look, way out over there. You'll see.
Oh, here comes another one.
You'll see another deer in somebody's fenced-in
I
yard.
See,
see
That's
that?
over at the pickleball. Look here. Here he comes.
Yep.
So they're out in full force right now eating lunch.
They are eating.
And they didn't let us stop them one bit.
No, we've been chainsawing and everything. They're right here.
I love it.
Okay, round 2.
Round 2, let's do it.
Okay. Okay, and you can film too.
So now what are you going to do?
What I'm gonna do
Get
is
that branch.
I'm gonna
Move the ladder and get that branch.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that one right there, and I'm gonna try to get up on the roof the best I can, and with the ladder right there, and
Up there.
and try to hold on to this. So I might need the broom here in a second, but first let's clear this out.
I don't think you're going to be able. Yeah, hopefully you can pick that up. I couldn't even pick it up.
Okay. Let's take a look. Let's see why we can't pick it up.
Well, it takes muscles.
No, you gotta take it with authority. Okay, we'll have to cut some of this up. We'll stack it. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. Want to do that right now?
Yeah, you're getting the saw.
Yeah.
And you're gonna stand just like I am, like this, and
All right.
you'll keep walking backwards. Sound good?
Yep.
Careful, darling. I don't want you getting hurt. Don't move.
Yeah, it needs to go up maybe a little bit higher.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
Just loosen the knuckle.
I don't know if I don't know if I can.
There you go.
I don't have anywhere to stand to do it. Okay. Oh, shit. Well, the problem is it moves.
Hold on. I'll do it, baby.
I can't reach it, hon. I'm sorry. I mean, I can touch it, but I can't get it any higher.
That's what I like about you.
Oh.
I like you short. You're my little pocket rocket.
Okay. Pocket rocket. All right then.
Oh, higher up that way?
Yeah.
Got you. Hold on. Babe, I'll do what I have to do.
It's barely showing, and it's like off. It's not even in the center. You know what I'm saying?
Nope.
That's what I was doing.
Right in my face. All right, here we go. It's in the camera mode?
No, I was recording it.
Oh.
I think that's better. Now, can you see it good enough? I think it's better. Can't we see it on your phone?
Oh yeah, you know what? Yes. My phone's over there, babe.
I see.
Solid ice, babe. I love it.
Be careful.
Wouldn't have it any other way. Being serious. See that right there? That's what I'm afraid of with these things.
Yeah.
It's split like that.
Yeah.
It's going to run right down the side. It's already damaged anyway, so it won't matter. What it's going to do is it's going to go down and hang, and then it might come back towards me. We'll see.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi.
Oh yeah, come here.
Tease her so she comes closer.
Here. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me pet you. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Come on.
Hi. Hi, I'm talking to you. Hi.
Come on. Let me pet you. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Hi. Goes on forever.
Who's your boy?
You are.
Guys,
I about went down, babe.
That's what I just said to you. It's solid ice, and you weren't behind me.
I got the reflexes of a mongoose.
Babe, let's get
No, I do.
let's get
Didn't
a
you
selfie.
notice that?
Let's get a selfie. This is
I know, but what
amazing.
what about my reflexes?
Awesome, like cat-like.
You're gonna wreck, Andrea.
was fun.
Yeah, I'm not sure how I'm going to handle this.